Over the next decade, electric cars are expected to see explosive growth. Automakers with a lengthy track record of success, such as Tesla, BMW, Ford, and General Motors, have already begun positioning themselves to take advantage of global electric vehicle development by extending their EV offerings over time. In addition to established automakers, new entrants are entering the market, but they lack the worldwide reach that the established automakers have amassed over the course of their many years in operation. Lucid has been in operation for a while, although not quite as long as any other established vehicle maker. As a result, the Californian company will have to step up its game in order to compete, and that is just what the car maker is doing. But when will the firm intend to extend its operations to the worldwide arena? Which markets are they planning to target? Keep watching till the very end to find out the answers to these questions. Welcome back to New Vehicle Media, your go-to channel for EV stock. Quick reminder that subscribing's free and liking the video helps YouTube suggest similar content. Comments are loved and featured in upcoming videos. Lucid Motors have a promising future ahead of them. As part of its expansion strategy in the Arizona market, the business has increased production at its facility, which is where its Air sedans are manufactured. Aside from that, the business has become quite active on its Twitter handle, even offering a tiny taste of what's to come with delivery figures in the form of a message that stated, "Efficiency delivered." LCID shareholders are hoping that this is a hint that Lucid Motors is confident in their ability to meet or surpass their 2021 Q4 delivery targets. Lucid also updated on an expansion to the new Ontario studio location in Canada, according to @JCEVs, who shared an email with the community. It's quite encouraging to see that the startup is beginning to scale up its global growth efforts in a big way. It's on an incredible upward momentum, and the money they obtained through the convertible note seems to be helping in accelerating their ambitions. In fact, their growth strategies demonstrate this clearly, not just in Canada, but Lucid is also preparing to begin delivering vehicles to consumers in Europe this year. This has been verified through a tweet on the company's official account, with the assurance that additional information regarding the when and where will be provided shortly. As previously indicated, Peter Rawlinson intends to extend the company's operations to Europe and the Middle East in 2022, with China to follow in 2023. Even though the company hasn't revealed the price or which nations would receive the Air first, this recent tweet suggests that the plan is still on track. Back in July of last year, Lucid's country manager for Germany said that, "We want to start delivering our cars in Germany in 2022. Later this year, we will announce more details about our European market entry." Germany is likely to be Lucid's most significant European market, but the company also hopes to establish a presence in Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Finland, France, Iceland, Italy, Monaco, the Netherlands, Norway, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland. Demand for electric vehicles is predicted to skyrocket in European markets as different nations implement restrictions on the sale of internal combustion engine cars in the coming years. Besides having to play catch-up with Tesla, the American brand will also face fierce competition from Europe's own heritage automakers, who have already started producing their own vehicles in the luxury electric market. Parallel to Tesla, Lucid will also attempt to expand its direct sales strategy into Europe. There have already been announcements of intentions to establish their studios in key locations around the US, and major European countries are certain to have their own. Germany will almost certainly be the first, maybe via a facility in Munich. A possible reason for the company's lack of ambition to expand into the UK is that it would be required to offer right-hand drive vehicles in that country. They had earlier said that they will sell automobiles in the UK, but when it will happen was never verified. To expand into new markets, Lucid will likely need to build a new production site in the near future. Despite the possibility of building a facility in China, servicing European demand will almost certainly need the construction of a new plant in Europe. The Californian startup has aspirations not just for Europe, but also for the Middle East and China. Rawlinson intends to have businesses established in both the countries by the middle of the decade. This move, especially into China, makes sense in light of the growing demand for electric vehicles around the globe. Because of the large number of EVs sold in China, the country is seen as especially crucial. If and when Lucid decides to build a manufacturing plant in China, they will be up against established rivals. In addition to Tesla, which has a facility in Shanghai, there are many additional electric car makers operating in the Chinese market. NIO is one such company, which some feel has the potential to compete with Tesla for the top spot in that market. For the Middle East, however, this is not the case, since they're expected to get their Air sedan sometime this year and not wait for 2023. When it comes to air bookings, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is second on Lucid's list of top markets. A pop-up studio in Riyadh is now open to consumers who want to meet and interact with the vehicle in person. Lucid is increasing its footprint in the country that has played a significant role in the company's development, which can only be defined as a significant move in the right path. Given the country's vast oil reserves and lack of EV infrastructure, it makes complete sense for Lucid to begin its international expansion in Saudi Arabia sooner rather than later. An unusually large number of call options were traded during the first week of Friday's trading session, indicating that this might be the outset of the LCID bull run. With an expiry date of January 14th, the first significant option call was a $48 call. The next out-of-the-ordinary option was a $47 call with the same expiry as the previous one. There was also a $40 put option for the 14th of January, indicating that investors expect the following week would be very turbulent. Lucid's short interest is continuing at a high level, and there are now no shares available for short sale in the company. In the near future, Lucid Motors may find itself in a tight position. It's possible that many short bets may be filled before Q4 delivery data are released due to the large quantity of bullish call options for January 14th and beyond. The stock is considered highly cheap, and now may be an excellent moment to make an investment in this firm, which has recently seen some very volatile trading months. However, they may be able to drive the price up to $50 or even higher in the near future. This would be very detrimental to short sellers, and it is possible that Lucid may leap to new all-time highs very soon as a result of this. I'm looking forward to seeing what Lucid is trading by the end of 2022. Let me know what you believe the stock will do this year. What boy is not bothered with the fact that LCID has been volatile in the previous month? He believes that declines below $40 provide a chance to purchase more units of this stock. That should wrap things up for today. Keep in mind that subscribing is still free, and liking the video helps YouTube recognize your preferences. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.